this is the grind. This is what the actual work and challenge is gonna be. What's up, YouTube? Chrissy Whispers, and I'm back with another video tonight. I'm sitting at my table. I got my cards in front of me. I took all of my cards out of the 800 count boxes and I put them into the 3200 count boxes like I did in my last, like I showed in my last video. I have a lot more of these than I thought, but I was close on the number. I have about 5,000 cards. I haven't counted yet. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you guys what I got here. And then I'm just gonna start sorting my cards. This is really just gonna be a short explanation and then a long demonstration. If you wanna watch. The first couple minutes, I'm really just gonna explain how I'm sorting the cards and what my plan is on how I plan on sorting. And then I'm just gonna cue some music and I'm just gonna go through my cards. And if you wanna watch, you could watch. If not, you could go to the next guy and watch somebody else, it's fine. But I just wanted to do a video, show you guys how I plan on sorting. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and see you guys in a second. All right, guys. So that's the two boxes, laid out all my cards. Like I said, it's a little more than I thought. I don't know why. I knew I had about 5,000 cards. And for some reason, in my head, I was gonna fit all of the cards into one box, even though I knew I ordered a 3,200 count box. So now my plan is to just start going through them. And then I'm actually gonna take my 800 count boxes. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort them into sets first. And then as the sets start to build up, I'm gonna take the sets and I'm gonna start divvying them off into the 800 count boxes. Once I have everything set sorted, I'm gonna alphabetically sort everything. And then that way, that should help me when it comes to listing and to pulling cards out for orders when we start selling and listing on TCG Player. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to sort. If you look down here, you'll see these. All this is I ordered some of these spacers. This is totally unnecessary. Just want to put that on record. I just did this for convenience. And I have a label printer. And all I did was, I don't know if you can see that, it's backwards, but all I did was just put the set and the numbering on it. So like this one says Silver Tempest 195/195. And I put the little set logo just so that for my eyes, it's easier for me to sort and just distribute. So like I said before, my plan is to go set first. Doesn't matter, hollow, reverse hollow, common, uncommon, rarity does not matter. Right now, we're just gonna sort into sets. Now, the good thing is when I open my packs and I put them away, they are pretty much in sets of 10 unless I got a hit. So those cards are, top sleeves and put away. But the good thing is, like, if you can't see, but I'm just pulling like Fusion Strike. Like these are just all Fusion Strike cards. So, sorting shouldn't be too crazy. And these, I don't know, I must have actually attempted to sort at one point because these are just all reverse hollows. So I don't know, I must have attempted sorting at some point. Oh, no. Oh. Anyone who's ever had a box of cards before, if you look right there. Oh, man. I call that nightmare fuel. And I'm gonna do this off camera, but I have to take all these cards out of sleeves. And it's not just those, there's a good chunk. Do not penny sleeve every single card. Waste of time, waste of money. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the energy cards yet. I don't know if I'm gonna list them. I don't know if people buy them. But if we're gonna be listing 5,000 cards, then we might as well list a few, I suppose. See what happens. If you see me putting cards back over here, that's actually because I only did Sword and Shield. I only did cards, sorting cards for Sword and Shield era. So those cards aren't in Sword and Shield, or at least not all of them are. So those are them. I'm just gonna come back to later. That's my dog. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna take him out to the bathroom. I can't wait to see how many cards I put in the wrong set when I go to alphabetize. Listen to me. Look at this. Some cards are just underrated. The artwork on that card is underrated. All right, guys, so you get the point. You see what's going on. Very simply, guys, just sorting into sets. Very simple, not exciting by any stretch of the imagination, not fun. This is the grind. This is what the actual work and challenge is gonna be, because it's just time consuming and it's boring, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna just keep going through this. Once all this is done, I'm gonna get a new video going for you guys on my step after it's all been sorted by set. So thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Chrissy Whispers out. Don't know why I said that, but I said it. Sticking to it. See you later.